fun. Welcome. Just say hi, ma, send the greetings. 21 gun salutes. Gladys, Macho, welcome. Amber, Donga, I see you. Thank you, Stanley, thank you.
County, can we go for my 17? Momo County, can we go for my 17? Yan County, can we go for my 17? Bokitinga County, can we go for my 17?
Amber Doka, I see you.
We march and go to Boya. We dance and go to Boya for one independence. We march and go to
Why, Edwin?
We sing and go to Boya.
21 gun salutes. We are free.
Wow! Happiness. Smile. Joy. Gladness. Great to be
Betty, Simon, I see you. 21 gun salutes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ozam, I see you. Oh yeah.
Everybody.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Tibina.
Babine.
Babina. Babina. Tibina.
Oh yeah.
Babina.
Oh yeah.
Happiness. Smile. Joy. Gladness. Make nobody know so we did go for Boya. Make nobody know so we did go for Boya. Make nobody know so we did go for Boya. Make nobody know so we did go for Boya. For our freedom we are free, Abba. For our independence day.
Yes, we are free indeed. We are free indeed.
We are free.
We are one people. We are free indeed.
Celebration day, my Lord. Our final destination is Boya. Independence now politics later.
Everywhere you go, Boya. 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 Boya.
Everybody.
Boya.
Ground zero.
Boya.
Ground one.
Maggie 4, I see you, I see you, I see you. 21 gun salutes. Good. Yes, we don't listen that tract from our sister all the way from Belgium, where it hit with this revolutionary sound, so that we go get some momentum for gather the spirit and for go Boya. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to hit your share button. We will go for the show proper right away. Don't forget to invite friends and relatives. Kevin, Brian, Atowe salute. We go start this show proper. When you get some comment, you just comment so that if something they lack, if we discuss. Ladies and gentlemen, once more, we a good evening, wherever we are there, and my fellow ambassadors, especially on Ground Zero, Ground One, and the diaspora, we a good evening. Special thanks and special greetings it go from our people where they bear the heat and the pain for Ground Zero, our restoration forces, and our civilians, our population. We a good evening as we watch the show today we get a lot to talk as far as the revolution be concerned and the victories where we record them as far as diplomatic and ground zero it be concerned. We get diplomatic issues the way it only happen within the week, but we still dig for get full as for can explain the details which way they go on. With the record tremendous success as far as diplomacy be concerned, and we get to keep the heat, we get to keep the fight, we get to keep the flame burning for ground zero. Now for there, our power has idea. Despite all what we talk here, our power house na ground zero, and na ground zero they determine the strength of this fight. Na ground zero they determine everything. Na ground zero be the determining factor where it go lead we to our victory. So we plead with our people for ground zero, and our fighter say the fight it rely on una, the fight it no rely on the diaspora. Now that get the sole responsibility and the power for push the struggle and in support with the diaspora. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we see not even over the week because it is still continue. We see many write-up where it come out from ambassadors, some for the internal government, some for the activists, as far as our brother, our senior comrade Abu Karim, he outing for the few weeks. Yes, we don't see how plenty don't take to the social media and they criticize Abu Karim. Anybody talk his own, anybody talk his own. Then we don't see our senior comrade, the Secretary of Communication, Secretary Chris Anu, he respond to Abu Karim. Now that one, he called for my concern and my own opinion. Our fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, before I want to start, I go read way comrade, our senior comrade Chris Anu, he writes, and we judge from there. But first, I want to tell ambassador people, they say some people them they outside there, no not for fix them. Some people they outside there for spoil them. When I go read the way to where Chris Anu write them, and we judge ourselves whether he talk bad. Chris Anu not talk anything contrary to way ambassador people want them. Chris Anu not talk anything contrary, because when I be here, some people they say Chris Anu respond this, Chris Anu, he not talk anything bad. But first, we read what way he write as respond to Abu Karim, our comrade Abu Karim for Ground Zero. He plight for collaboration, and then before we come to the issue of collaboration, Abu Karim plight and the ambassador people, their own thinking of collaboration and all the like. Any man we talk say no like collaboration na devil. Collaboration na a tool, na one of the ambassador people that way they desire as of now. But we go come to that. We see way Chris Anu he write, he reply to our brother. Then from there we go extract some of the things there we talk about. Let's see. I just be patient enough a while. Let's see. Okay. Respond from Secretary Chris Anu, Comrades Abu, I have no doubt that you mean well when you make this appeal for collaboration. Personally, I have done quite a bit of it to no avail. I didn't have to take it to the social media for people to applaud it. My problem with your approach is the tendency to sing to the wrong target. You drop this appeal sporadically, directing to them Sako, Bohabet, Akwanga, Seseko, Ayaba, Ayangwe, etc. You are not being honest in your approach, comrades. ACT is a house of collaboration. In here are Sako, Bohabet, Akwanga, and others. Where are Ayaba and the rest? Why aren't they here? Where they push out? The leaders in here are talking and planning together. That is called collaboration. Sorry, let's see. Sorry. Sorry, Mark, come again. Don't mix so. Okay, the leader in here are talking on and planning together. That is called collaboration. I really don't think that they have a problem with collaboration, else they wouldn't have been part of ACT, isn't it? This is to say that if you really mean it, you will rather be working to convince these other folks to see the need to get into the fold. Nobody is chasing them away. As for the IG, it's still for Ambazonian, and all Ambazonians should aspire to come in and even aspire for leadership. I honestly think you should rather be telling Seseko to reconcile his incapacity for control and find a place to be of use for the struggle by getting back into the IG, instead of remaining a source of division. You are equally in the position to corner Cho Ayaba to convince him on the need to join the fold. The same with Ayangwe, etc. Or those your approach to collaboration only entail that Sako, Bohabet, Akwanga capital to this one. The problem with collaboration isn't with Sako, Bohabet, nor Akwanga. They are collaborating already. The problem is with the people you are shy to cardinally address. Comrade, I have a little worry about how you come across in this appeal. You present yourself as either belonging nowhere and not knowing right from wrong, or having your legs anywhere, and I must say it makes it quite difficult to tell which side you belong too. I always consider you bold enough to speak truth to any power. You are not doing so at the moment. If anything, you are trying to make sure you offend nobody. Trying to carve out some political niche for yourself. I guess I may be wrong, but it astonishes me that you cannot speak truth to Ayoktabe and others. You will want to collaborate. So why this thing see? Just sorry, Maxi. This Mr. Nosakubo Ebet Akonga. They're ready to work with others. They have closed the doors. Collaboration. They had also said it will be a problem and you will be right to direct. But yeah, we'll just that's a recap for which way Chris Ano Senator Abu Karim. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, long a bit, but we just get a recap for which way the heading for which way is Senam, Chris Ano Senator Abu Karim. Yes, before we want to go for the collaboration and all the like. First, which way I capture and for Chris Ano, he write up. It's a write up way call for consent. It's a write up way you know talk Abu Karim na say he coach Abu Karim or this light. It's a write up way he writes say the IG he had to be open for collaboration. Because I be think say he go write say IG he not be willing for collaborate with anybody. But he talk say IG be willing, the team act, he be willing for collaborate with Seseko, with Ayabacho. Now one of the things in that way, he bring my caption. I don't even care for no other Chris Ano write the other articles write what, but my consent, if he been I say, I want to hear if the IG be willing for collaborate with these people. Chris Ano say yes. The IG be willing for collaborate with these people. These people get the right for contact the IG. I tell the IG say we are sorry. Let's collaborate for Team Act. But before I want to go for the proper, I want to address some people for internet government. I want to address some people for internet government. Over the past years, we used to witness social media with hate speech from the activists. Yes. I say over the past years, we used to get hate speech from the activists. But now, it is like the activists, it become more understanding. Past people that work, I mean the leaders of the internet government. When I hear Abu Karim, he talks say the internet government, some people for internet government, they threaten me, he not talk say activists, he not call activists again. When you go for Facebook, the internet government, I don't know whether they know say they get a mandate, the whole ambassador people, a responsibility for lead the people. Because when they put you for a position for the internet government, you got to examine yourself. If you know fit, you deny that position. it not be obligation say you must take that position and then you behave like the other people, because people they watch una, they expect from una. When you talk to you be leader, people they expect something good. People they expect something mature. But when you go even inside the forum, you go for Facebook, you see the way the so-called leaders for the internet government, they give hate speech. So one them they think say, so to be truly speaking, I tell the truth. Some people they inside the internet government they don't want collaboration. And they told me one fact. Some people they did the inside internet government where I don't know their level where they want me to struggle he go. They don't want collaboration. They want say they cabal where it don't build. I mean say the team where don't build. Even one man inside that internet government he do wrong. No. Me they just fix and me all they be. Then now they think say external body it not be come in. The internet government be owned by the Federal Republic of Ambazonian, no be national papa personal property. All we know that inside that internet government, we not go leave. Another people replace. Internet government no national papa personal property where some man if the worker enter, then he block the door, means some man can enter. No be your house where you go block door. Where you go lock door where someone can enter, you lock the door. And the talk for the leaders of the internet government, their position in the whole am. Not the inherited position. Your papa, his family, when I inherited position where without you, it don't go work. That position in whole am for the internet government, now position where you render a service to the people of Ambazonian, and anytime where the people of Ambazonian decide say you come up with that position, you not be fit again, you quit the position. That position for internet government in Holland, not in a position where the closed door, not in a position the closed door for another man no can enter, not be your papa, your personal, you know, your property, not in your house where so visitor one can close the door. Ambazonian, that door will be open for all Ambazonian home and abroad. Get the sole responsibility for protect this government, for guide the internal government, for contribute for the internal government, for give positive critics for the internal government. The internal government not be so much a personal goal. Because when I see the attacks where it come outside, especially members of the internet government, it is shocked some of we. Say, are you truly, you be a true leader? You be a true leader? Okay, when I see Chris Andrew, he write up. He writes very clean and clear. The internet government be willing for collaboration. The internet government be willing for collaboration in any level. Except the one tell me say, na dictator. Now, but coming to collaboration, when you don't do wrong, man, when you don't do wrong, you want come back, you come back in the bed. You want come back in the bed. Well, brother Abu Karim, I don't get problem with you. Party in collaboration 100%. As if Ryan talk about a show, say any man where they against collaboration for this revolution, that means say he no want me the revolution end, and that they be the enemy that they want me to kill our people too. Abu Karim I support he 100% for drawing all the parties together. I mean they come for collaboration. And in that same light, I support Chris Anu too 100% to what Abu Karim say, as in the beg for collaboration, me it talk with the parties where when they bring disunity for draw the bring up for the collaborating platform, the IG. 100%. We get to look in that light. We get to look in that light. We support Abu Karim in collaboration 100%. Yes. And in that same light, we support Chris Anu. He write the prayer say, okay, you tell the other man where he kick against the interim government, tell the other man where he ever castigate the interim government, tell him say, me he can't join because the interim government are the biggest platform, like government. The other one them, when they don't do mistake because the interim government they grow so fast. The mobilization for the interim government, no man will stop them. Ambassador people, without these people, we go win the war. Without these people, when they don't have collaboration, we go win the war. But it go delay with just small. It will delay with small. Why we going to keep delaying? Because we keep delaying, our people they die. Because Mr. Manogo told they say we start facing the interim government, they fail, the interim government without the people, the interim government don't work. No, the interim government they do a tremendous job, and it continue. The mobilization they go ever in the history of mankind. 2020 and 2021 are the highest record. Yes, they were ground zero, the hot. That one of fact 2020 and this 21 way is start. Now the highest. When I see the blow, Amoka people die for Njikwa. Wait, now 2020. So more not things the interim government fail, but the interim government to keep the doors open for collaboration. Any man where they kick against collaboration, my man you check, go rethink, think fine. Collaboration only this delay we. But now make we reason with Chris Anu he write up. And then again we reason too with our comrades Abu Karim. Now he work. More not expect say Abu Karim he will cut away to him or please the interim government. Now the facts. In no Abu Karim will cut away to him or please the interim government. Yes. And the interim government too, they will not say them be government. The interim government, why were all stone, then they shoot on top. Why it be say that they attack only the interim government? Why did they attack only interim government? Why? Now I say why did they attack the interim government? Because Ambassador both AGC, the Kondenge, IG, all they acknowledge the present and the work, they acknowledge that the interim government be the ruling body. That one of facts. The interim government be the ruling body. And so, the interim government and the ruling body, like the government, get for something in the direction of a government. The interim government gave us that thing in that direction of a government and think in that direction of a country. No say someone will criticize the country, the government where they in power. You know, cease that man will be a citizen of that country. Now, fact, you no say you will criticize a country as a citizen. You get a right, your freedom of speech, you get a right. But when you criticize me that country, no exile you. When you criticize, they want to walk back for that country, you apologize. They should take you. The interim government will look in that capacity. Then they stop that hate speech the way it did inside within the government way. Then they stop people from back for collaboration. Some people they don't do rough work. Some people they don't do rough work. They see a means, they find a means for apologize, come back for work together. But some people they inside the government, they block the men not come. Why? All man will do revolution. Examine yourself. Either you don't do one or two bad, or you don't do this. But not block the gap where another man will come. Because this man will be work with you. You be told this man are enabler, this man are this, this man are this, this man are this. People you repent. People you repent can't work for collaboration. When I never say, when you talk say this team act, they will collaborate. Team act, they will collaborate. We need collaboration at the level of our defense for Ground Zero. We not care to collaborate. But when we come at the level of diplomacy, but my brother and sister, collaboration will be. We're going to draw all man on board. We're going to draw all man on board. For one time, not be left ended because he win election, and then the other people, when they want to go for former conference, he go alone. No! We're going to start think in that direction. Say, not only the internet government, as I think so, now the internet government, now we watch on that day, now when I go to the people go come way, when I even think say that the highest black leg for this revolution. So we get to think in that direction. We get to think in that direction. Say, irrespective of the fact that we don't do bad or good did this, we get to know say Ambazonia is a country. Ambazonia no be the internet government, not be a group. The internet, we get to know that one. So when people they come for life, they come for this, they can't talk stone onto the internet government. They destroy them because they know that the body that they control the revolution. Now the body that they control the revolution, the internet government. Now why they all stone, they come all angry. So, number one, take that way, I take with the collaboration. The people that don't want to collaborate, as our brother comrade Abu Karim, you do a fine job. We applaud you for that one. I support you 100% for your collaborative platform. But you too, I say way to help Chris and to talk. Say people they don't do mistake. People do, if they want to come, try to talk with them. Behind you bring them. As Christian rightly talk, he said the internet government not there against collaboration. Where we see Seseko can dismiss the IG way informer. Say it be sorry. We have to accept 100% accept. We see Dr. Ayabacho. He said he be sorry for all they misdid them. We work on collaboration, not unity. We work as Christian and talk. Because all the other parties them, Bo Hebert, Akwanga, they did on a collaborative platform. So why not the other people? The other people when they come, when I say we will gather moment to go strong pass. We will gather moment to go strong pass. That's my own take. I know I will talk to people to say because the fact I say we're talking to a bit straight and forward for the revolution. You get two named black leg. You don't think I own this. You don't think I own this. But my brothers and sisters, all we will youth, who want the revolution end. Fast and so fast. When they watch even the other foreign news, they talk about collaboration. And then why we too, when they talk about collaboration, and because they feel our pain. They say, I say, we'll get a journey course. They say, I say, we feel we new very fast. They say, we'll collaborate. Then why we, when we fight, they will can't stop collaboration. Even someone will key, move collaborate. That way war end. We know say you be do wrong here, you be do wrong here. So my brothers and sisters, move keep hate speech. Move keep this. Move keep for insult others because of their ideology. So now my standard for that one. Our game yesterday. We watch the La République terrorists game the car and go for our city of Victoria. Before we watch that game, we don't see chiefs them. They say they don't perform rituals. They say they don't perform wonja, they can't dance, all that in them. Governor make his own speech. My brothers and sisters. Of the land start talk. When the God of the land decides, my brothers and sisters, none of it change. All the don't go silent. Who said in day? Who said in day? Who said in day they perform under rituals? All. They say Victoria, they don't bless the land of Victoria. Who bless the land of Victoria? Bless our people that blood. They win the 4-0. And we all know the significance of that 4-0. The 4-0 is signified Morocco. Morocco, the tell the Republic say, me stop. Now Morocco, the only way that will pass the message for the Republic say, you don't kill the people, enough 4 years be enough. If the Republic gather that message for the 4-0, me they don't say, the Moroccans, they sent a message for them say, we not only kill the people 4 years, enough is enough, and the God of the land, he don't retaliate. The God of the land, he don't vex for send them 4-0. Who's are the gods where that chief they claim say they go make rituals? When I see well they tell say all this things they make them where when they go to chop fowl, raw fowl. Anybody see we don't see other atalako they finish on. We don't see other atalana they finish. We don't see people they chop iron. We don't see people they do kind thing. So you know we do other kind magic for frightening people. You know we do other kind magic for frightening people. If we do that magic to do magic, or if we don't end the war, if we don't end the war for Ambazonian. So my fellow Ambazonian, fellow citizens, we record a tremendous victory in Victoria and success. Some people will say yes, the game if you play. When I take say if the Republic will win, if the Republic will win this game, we have a year social media. Yes, they don't talk say peace day for Victoria. The chief don't perform rituals. The God of Victoria they accept one Cameroon. Now why that way the chief the cat talk the game go now the story that. Now the story that way you supposed to come out from that side for La Republique. At the time I wanna say we recorded success. I wanna say the start. La Republique, when I see La Republique, no make noise because we be not say they be think say people the population of Victoria will come out because say now La Republique play with Morocco. For can flop start, then they make video show them say no the other start them that day they be used to dry now because say now different country they play, but now when La Republique play. Now see how they start flop. Now see how they start flop, so everything be normal. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, but we see how they start it dry. Now see how they start dry, and then it send a signal, a warning for La Republique. Say 4-0. 4-0. It means say you declare war for we 4 years where we start kill our people and our blood. Our people will be split over the land of Victoria. And then when I come again, we can play tournament. On top, the blood of innocent Ambazonians. The people don't kill about Mautu. The people don't kill about Mutengene. The people don't kill about Kumba. The students of Kumba. And then when I come we can play game for Victoria. Morocco, thanks to Una for sending a strong message. If that game will even be 1-0, it will look some way. If it 2-0, it will look some way. 3-0, we will attribute that same way it said. But 4-0, 4 years. That means each goal carry 1 year. Each goal get a significance of 1 year killing our people. Each goal get a significance of 1 year. So La République back and go. La République back and go. La République back and go. We don't prove them. Ambassador don't prove them more than enough. So we don't want una. We don't want una. Una pack and go. We don't want una anymore. We not pack and go. So fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, I want to thank our restoration forces for FACO for keeping the ground hot. See, if we fight, feel hot for FACO, Victoria and sister, that means already we need fight. And Sam, if our restoration forces, they will make FACO hot, especially Victoria, my brother and sisters. That means no way they will fight no. That means our body will fight even on top water. Our body will fight even on top fire. If our boys them feel fight for Victoria, they make Victoria be ungovernable. That means we will fight for desert. That means we will fight for any site. So La République, when I get that signal, me they tell you very well because when I be think say when not be don't do world draft. When not don't do world draft, Victoria don't make that 18 there. We hear say even Boya, you respect God's stand. We hear say Victoria they can't pay. Victoria they this. But we don't see the level of insecurity where it is for Victoria. And our boys them still making it happen for Victoria. I said the level of security where it is for Victoria. Our boys they still making it happen. When I see the band traveling on Wednesday, yesterday, the band traveling. Some people want to come over Kumba. Some people want to come over Kumba will go. What are the one going outside? What are the one going outside? When they don't ban travel, and by people, why were in the year 12? No 1 year 11, no 1 year 13. The internet government, no vehicle really pass in between Douala, Tiko Road to Kumba. Then you come and take a motor for Kumba, you go side. You want try, no? You want try. When the restoration force is now, they go very aggressive. Now, when I start complaining against una. You the civilian when you travel that day. Forget about the company. They won't work on that money. Why you civilian you want to risk your life for Komokumba on Wednesday for enter Wuso go site? Why not travel today? Why not travel tomorrow? Why not be travel on Tuesday? You want to go outside. I will don't hear you hear una see and the word of it I say when our Grand Zero the follow information pass even we. Grand Zero they get information pass even they not stubborn. Una go me no to water low. We don't tell una say our fighters that ghost fighters. You don't know play with the day. Una don't know play with the day. Now what they like people no win. They don't know because they get all machinery, they feel bomb, they feel do all thing. But they don't know play where we dey. We dey heaven, we dey sky, we dey inside water. Water na water. We dey outside. They don't know play where we dey. Una no risk una life. So I want beg our restoration fighters, our population, say the game don't start and start. If we fight inside FACO, then the next place where they make that thing like FACO na Kambe. When I tell Kambe say, will you prepare a package for them? When the people in Kambe, we hear say when no one respect anything from the internet government or ambassador or what. Will you prepare on a package? Maybe. Tell me so other part of ambassador will enjoy. Now I tell you una unlock them. Maybe sometime when some ambassador pack them, like Mendam Club, Bamenda, Victoria, all this, they enjoy. Una dey una own lockdown. I don't come there. Una no respect. Una no respect. Una keep at that level. Una don't keep am. Una respect Ngala Gerard. Una respect him. Now one man go move the eye broom. Una continue. Then we go with economic sabotage. Before I go economic sabotage, I want to play this video. Musi. Oh, merci. Merci. Okay. Okay, merci.
Yes, Buffalo of Balignon. Don't tell me one is locked. Yes. Now big ground this. Now the motor that.
Now here. Now find out about battlefield.
Yes. Now the motor that. Now the motor that. Now the motor that. Come on, now shoot them.
Now shoot them. Like that.
Don't come out.
Okay. The one now the forces of Bali LGA under Mezam County. I just play this video for show Ambazonian people the way and the Republic the way they think say the world will end. Una here no now he locks that way he locks will carry military. Our boy they want to down and all my way inside they will die. Now here we talk now. They want to come out, when I shoot, they will shoot all them, they will kill all them. They will kill all them. Dirty for rice. They will kill all them. No, don't forget. See, the family where they don't go take their corpse. The family where they don't take their corpse. Now the level that way we don't reach. La Republic, my tell you continue. We get AK, we get explosive. With the Tombu, we want to come out shoot. With the Takai we want to survive, we shoot. We not play with una day, we not play with day. So the La Republic thinks if we win the war, where you declare. I think say some of them will go think and think fine. When they move them will game every day. Una remember say una I be telling say una go hardly year. Nah, say the key restoration fighters. It will be very difficult. Except say the restoration fighter way it will go they drink or misbehave for some side they can't catch it. But it will be very difficult. So the Republic key one of our restoration fighters. Except the one we make the law sense. And even for battlefield, they don't succeed. Now for battlefield, when I hear about battlefield, no. Now the Republic go for battlefield. We don't tumble them. They want come out, we go shoot them all. You na hear no? They say like that don't tumble them. Then the people want smoke come out. They want come out go side. They want come out wrong. Or you want come out go side. You want come out go side. We shoot them. Now the word that he find some of this movie the show am, move na see am, una know the level because some people used to call me now the level for this struggle na high be. Some people plenty they call me and say, Bo, now what did happen? I had the level for the struggle. I say, you don't even know until you join. You be ambassador and you ask me the level of struggle. Join an LGA. You will know the level of the fight. You will see what will happen. But if you never outside, you will believe that the public media, how they say war will end, everything be okay. Now war this way the fighter. Now the public don't die. Now in that don't die. All them with that car they go perish. All them with that car don't give 6 feet. All them with that car don't give 6 feet. And our body don't harvest. Because you can forward they go move all man for game. Now harvest. We harvest, we take about them. We kill them. We take about them, we kill them. Then we go for economic sabotage. We don't see recent video where our boys they arrest some individuals where they take upon themselves when they carry plenty document. When I be see that video, I will be very happy. And any man will be a king listener to me, a king where they watch me all the time. Our restoration fighters don't hear my cry. Our restoration fighters they do it for barefoot. I don't say small. It go the whole territory of Amba. I don't get over. In short, now the best thing in that way where I don't cry am for my platform cry am. But that they say the boys they say they watch me. They watch me. They say this brother talk true. They actually watch them and video say this brother talk true. We don't need for the hearing ourselves to fight governor DOD with the cash that the people the way they go collect that taxes. They show see another colleague over here. So they don't arrest another man. They don't pass to market. They don't pass. Why we get for the fight war when we get to make our civilians they enjoy while we fight? We get to make where our civilians they see the need. Say now what go on. No man they get to suffer. They'll say yes. The interior government don't make we need to pay tax. I was so as trouble stay, we need to pay tax. They don't go see our civilians for Kumba market. Oh, they know people why they go pay, why not go pay tax? Then why? They give lockdown. So our restoration fighters, we not you go worry una. We not go after the small fish. We not go after the small fish as we not start for measure. That's most. We not say the war will start. The war will be start boom. No, it will be start. It will start na small. It will start for Manfe. It come for Manfe. Tap. It skip Manfe. As I skip Manfe, bam. It land for Kwakwa. As I land for Kwakwa, skip, bam. It skip. It land for Batibo. Now so the war will start. As the talk, fire catch the whole territory of Ambazonian. So this do the act this when they arrest so see I don't hear that statement say they kidnap some people. Our boys they arrest that traitors that now the public military say for certain people they hold them so now the public military because you know year warning see come on the go for certain me that people they arrest now the public military. Now the public military. And they will go all the 13 county. We will see whether we will Republic now will be a friend. Otherwise, if they like me, they take military. Me military the work I collect tax. We not say yes. We don't succeed. Then I military collect tax. And then the military to work collect tax. So it's a quarter. Or work like this thing. He prepare himself to very well. So that we will not say. If na military collect tax, we already know say any man will see him with the ship from far distance. Yes, any man will see him in the name of collecting and people quarter. We already target it for very fast. So the economic sabotage, you don't necessarily mean say do this. When we do and so, at the back. And I want to thank our restoration fighter again. Mahada jolly, Mahala yoli, Mahadi sweet le sugar. As I send that video, we will arrest that's enablers them. Me sing now go for all the other 13 county and all the other chairmen will copy them. So now they work that. We'll go to start. Will they arrest any tax collector? But the one they collect to market, Sonebi, electric water bill. My brothers and sisters will go count on day for rejoice. When I still overemphasize for the economic sabotage. Over. We will continue. We go hear mayor will come. We go hear na mayor will come. Na mayor will come outside the top. Why we will build silence? We need the top. We will build silence. And the mayor that will carry back. They will carry back. Mayor, Sam. So mayor and they will decide. Say better. If one was there, they will call the internet sponsor. They will give the overdraft for left the million collect tax. And then they will respect both time. Yes. It be very fast. See, when we start this work where this our brother for Bafut, they do them. Then we get two options. Either our people, they don't ever pay taxes. The mayor for that area will be in charge. He go call the internet government and say, I beg, I want to give my own draft. I beg, I will respect una laws and to the fullest. Because they will see I say La Republic no fit protect them. The guy the guy is total La Republic. No be the guy they talk about say they know see the arm by the control. Una know see the arm by the control, then una come out again. Go for outside for go collect tax to give mayor. Well, una know see the arm by the control. After the cash una after una green say arm by the control. Arm by the control. So my fellow fighters on Ground Zero, my fellow country people of the security department, I think say the effective work of of economic sabotage. We get a copy of you guys the way they do about Bafut. We get a copy and for this guy the way they do about Bafut. And we get to say kudos to them. We get to send the motivation for them so that the other fighter they will see them. How they motivate them, they do their own. For arrest any Mawe pass for quarter like tax collector. This we take it for arrest them. Now it take me now to the defense department of the interim government. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, we don't see on the record tremendous victory all over the territory of ambassadors. Kudos, he go first to His Excellency Dr. Samuel Sako Ekome. Second kudos, he go to the communication department of the interim government, Secretary Chris Anu. Third, he go to the human resource mobilization, Maya Ringwa. The fourth, he go to all the counties, chairs, the LGAs. I not be mention fighters because we not own. No even need to mention them because now we be overall for the victory where they for ambassador. But now one position they inside the interim government where it is weak. It is weak. Yes, even the diplomatic for diplomacy. Yeah. Now, may I talk something? You know, say when your eye is hurt you, your whole body feel pain. When you get scratch, even if your finger, your whole body is feel that. When one thing is lack for your skin, the whole skin is feel the impact. What I mean for say, the security department of the internal government is very weak, and it give a lot of work for the internal government. The internal government like it or not, we don't observe them, and I know be the first activists they talk them, plenty people they talk them, and even inside group them, people inside internal government they talk them. My talk, we get the diplomacy for internal government, we get finance, we get communication. That three department, defense, na be the main factor for all that. Diplomacy, it work well. With the year way, they knock bodies. That this, they knock and did this. Pap, it go. The resource and mobilization of the internal government, it go well. What draft come? They contribute money, they do nothing. Now, the security department of the internal government is not working anything. It didn't work anything, my brother and sister. It don't fail. What I call it John, it didn't work anything, and it will give a lot of work for the two. It give work for the finance. It give work for diplomacy. Why did it give work for diplomacy for finance? When the security department not carry with action, a plan of action where people they see them, it be difficult to move money because ambassador people they want action, and now it give a lot now for resource and mobilization for raise fund because people they say action need to go. This part the Sweet Mobile research and mobilization, it go use them. It will take the money, but the money will be as if the action will take place for ground zero, or action will take place for internal government for security. Then now, diplomacy to the feedback because when ground zero need hot, diplomacy to the core because these people they do the year now for we. International body they respond depending on our action on ground zero. So, fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, the security department of the internal government gave a bill adjust. I propose I mean adjust them. The security department of the internal government it needs adjustment. I want to see all these things when they happen for ground zero. When I just all the things when they happen for ground zero, we just thank the internal government and the LGS and county chairs because the security department of the internal government is a sham. It didn't work. So they need to strategize. And I think say our president, that position needs to be retained because as of now, ambassador people don't be supposed to cry over something. Ambassador people are supposed to cry na money. Ambassador people don't be supposed to cry a strategy. Ambassador people have to see a strategy. Now money will be our problem. And you make see more not only see say world draft it be successful. More see I say if ground zero it be hot when the strategy of the security department. When I know how much money for enter for draft for double pass. Now because the resource and mobilization they do a good job. Communication they do a good job. Now why that you say so? They don't give that money for security department of internal government because it's a sham. The security department of internal government need to be activated. It needs to be activated. That one are true. That's also something in the way we keep them in secret. We don't want to talk. But as we persist, we will review it where the security man writer for the forum. I don't look at baby quiet. God will bring her for outside. He will bring the sham for outside like a security man. He will write his crash inside a forum. Write a rubbish inside a forum. But we no one bring her outside. We not get a problem with some man, but if you need to do your job, you stay aside. The revolution, even a revolution of brothers, sisters, or family, or friends. The revolution, a revolution of collective efforts. And if you not do the job, you stay aside. If you not do the job, give gap for another man to come in. Sometimes now when you even deny the internal government, me for collaboration because when the fear, say some people will cut in a position. Yes, sometimes I because I don't see the job you need to do no job. They still start with that very position. When people don't complain about you, create the positions, send your resignation, say you're not fit for that job. That will be the waste and machine people that their precious time. Then if you thought that, then we go for RPG. The roadmap for RPG. Fellow Ambazonians, tomorrow we'll get a first meeting, I think 7 p.m. Amber time. This issue of RPG, I don't believe again the internal government gets a strategic or wait he hide them. But we will not hide. Because we not go be in that one way where the action people some man say bone and waiting the happen, you say it be classified. Because we don't classify. No go. We go ever first meeting tomorrow for RPG 7 p.m. But I still talk for ambassador people say this RPG of stuff it will be endorsed. The internal government know about it. We not go do anything contrary to the internal government because I don't observe say when some people start collecting money for this use a platform to collect money, then after some time they go out of track. They start say they feel form a group or they feel be like a leader, but that one work in that direction. So we there on the map on RPG. We go get them. We go use them. If the internal government, we go even sometimes will supply them for the internal government. We use them. For no say we with the active force. They are me the user. The RPG is for the ambassador. People use them. We use them. So tomorrow, 7 p.m. Amber time, we go hold ever first meeting. The way forward. Strategize, and we need more members because we will plenty the look 7 p.m. Amber time. More no fear. Any ambassador day, more stand at a lot, more stand fine. Now stand fine. No so they no stand fine. Say independence. They come in a team or even shake one bit. I never even see some loopholes where Assassin La Republic pass through that loopholes for winning this trouble. I look at it, see him. I never even see some whole where they look and say, La Republic pass use the whole. I never see him. We don't already defeat La Republic go pass. And we still keep on. We don't activate this RPG of stuff. Use that with explosive. And AKs will get them. EN. We get treating there to take a win war. We get treating the way we take a win war. We first start with our own ambassador, we start with rubber gun. We can start with this dry sticks then guns. We can with AK. Now we then have explosive. And we enter now with RPG. Now when RPG enter, the game changer, they end. RPG with explosive now weapon of mass destruction. It end. RPG, explosive, AKs. Those are weapons of mass destruction. See, we get already get the gun. We already get the material. We get enough material with that. We get Kalashnikov. We get Kalashnikov. They're plenty. Chain cutter, we get them. That one there that will be used for that he locked them. When they shoot, we get them. We already get them. So we need game changer. So fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, thank you so much for watching and una stay blessed. Subsequent time we will come with more updates. I think say in the next show we will come with more update for diplomacy. Which way it go on for Europe and all the other sides, how they pressurize the Republic government, me go for the Swiss initiative. I watched the other prime news the other day, they talk say the Republic must go for the Swiss initiative. So even them now, they don't say the only winner at the Swiss initiative. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.